we want to show you our daily routine here while we're staying in Argentina. As you may know, Nemanja is working full-time remotely as a software engineer at a company called Safety Wing. That means that we are basically digital nomads and are dependent on staying in places with good Wi-Fi connection and a good workspace. To be able to really enjoy each place we visit, we have to stay at each place for a longer period of time to be able to explore. That means that while we're here in Buenos Aires, we mostly get to explore during the weekends. So without further ado, here's what a regular day in our lives looks like while we're traveling. We usually wake up quite early, between 7 and 8 in the morning. Some days we start working right away, but other days, like today, we start with a morning swim.
That's our morning bath for today.
For breakfast, I usually eat some natural yogurt or Greek yogurt with some chia seeds, granola and some frozen berries. The reason I'm eating out of a coffee cup is because there weren't any bowls in our Airbnb. Right now, I'm using my time to learn new skills. I've never done any editing before, so I learn a lot when making these videos. Time for a little break in the sun. Time to do some tanning in the sun. It's really warm today, so it's amazing. It's February 2022 while filming this, which means it's still summer in Argentina and the weather is quite nice. Which is why I want to prioritize getting some sun every other day, especially when we have this amazing rooftop. Now it's time for some lunch. Today we just had a simple soup for lunch, and then I continued with some editing. Ready to work out?
Indeed.
We have been trying to work out at least 4 times a week while staying here, so today we had leg day. There's no air condition at the gym, so it tends to get really hot. More potato chips, honey. Thank you. The other ones as well.
What's the magic word?
Please. Thank you. And the other ones. No, the other ones. The other ones.
If anything, you just proves we eat too much potato chips when you have 3
Thank you.
different types.
We're going out to dinner today.
Going out for pizza today.
Pizza! We decided to go out to eat today. Usually during a week, we try to make room for all 3 options: making food at home, ordering takeaway, and going out to eat at a restaurant.
Una gran cru pizza para mí y una calabria para ella. Un tinto de a cavallo Ferrer, vabbè.
We both ordered pizzas.
Just enjoy my wine in the meantime.
I wanted an Aperol Spritz after dinner, and Nemanja ordered a tiramisu.
Look at
It's
this.
huge.
But where is the coffee? Or the espresso?
After dinner, we just walked back to our apartment. There will be a new day very similar to this tomorrow.
So how'd you like the pizza?
It was good.
I was kind of scared after your first bite. You were like, I was like, no.
Yeah. No, it was just the first bite, and then it was fine.
Because I kind of convinced you. I was like, yeah, there's no way it's gonna be spicy. And then
It was, but it was good spicy.
This time we actually spent less time searching for a place to eat. Usually we have to go like to 2 or 3 places. Props to Argentina. We haven't, like, usually we have really bad luck when like our schedule or plan doesn't follow through. This time, like, even though the places we wanted to go to were full or whatever, the backup places where we just, I don't know, stumbled upon were really good.
So that is basically a day in our lives here in Buenos Aires.